जय हिंद साथियों। दोस्तों, आपने सब कुछ ट्राई कर लिया, जो भी आपके हाथ में था उस कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम को क्लियर करने के लिए, जो कि आपका सपना है, चाहे वो आईआईटी हो, जेईई हो या नीट हो या कोई डिफेंस एग्ज़ाम हो या फिर और कोई बड़ा एग्ज़ाम हो। आई मीन यू हैव टेकन द बेस्ट कोर्सेज यार, यू हैव वॉच्ड डेली रिकॉर्डिंग्स, यू हैव मेंटेन कंसिस्टेंसी, टारगेट्स यू हैव कंप्लीटेड डेली एंड आपने हर वो चीज़ करी है जो कि एक एस्पायरेंट करेगा। यू हैव लिटरली लेफ्ट नो स्टोन अनटर्न्ड, राइट। लेकिन फिर भी कुछ हिडन मिस्टेक्स अभी भी रह जाते हैं, कुछ ब्लाइंड स्पॉट्स हैं जो आपकी नज़र से यार बचते जा रहे हैं। उसे शायद इसी वजह से आप अभी तक फाइनल सिलेक्शन तक नहीं पहुंच पा रहे। सो गुड मॉर्निंग एंड वेलकम टू दिस आई ओपनिंग वीडियो। आई एम योर मेंटर रितेश। जस्ट अ few words about myself. I have cleared multiple exams multiple times, not just by hard work but by doing smart work and putting in strategic efforts. To name out a few, I have cleared FCAT exam 5 out of 5 times. I have cleared UPSC CDS exam, IMA OTA and Air Force Academy cutoff, which is the highest cutoff by the way, 2 times. इसके अलावा आई हैव ऑल्सो क्लियर्ड एसएससी सीजीएल प्रीलिम्स एंड आई हैव बीन ऑब्जर्विंग पिछले कई वर्षों पे से सिंस आई हैव बीन टीचिंग, आई हैव बीन ऑब्जर्विंग नीट, जेई एंड डिफेंस एस्पायरेंट्स कि यार इतना हार्डवर्क करने के बाद भी वाई दे आर नॉट मेकिंग द कट, वो क्या गलतियाँ कर रहे हैं। सो इस वीडियो में व्हाट आई हैव डन इज टू कंपाइल ऑल दिस मिस्टेक्स एंड समराइज इट इन दीज 10 मिस्टेक्स विच आर हिडन मिस्टेक्स विच आर स्टॉपिंग यू फ्रॉम क्लियरिंग कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम, राइट। तो इस वीडियो में उन्हीं छुपी हुई गलतियों को डाइसेक्ट करने जा रहा हूँ मैं, ताकि आप उनसे बच सकें और फाइनली अपने ड्रीम एग्ज़ाम को क्रैक कर सकें। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी फर्दर टाइम, लेट अस स्टार्ट एंड लेट अस गेट स्टार्टेड विद द वीडियो राइट अवे। बट बिफोर आई स्टार्ट लेट मी जस्ट टेल यू कि ये कोई वो सिमिलर वीडियो नहीं होने वाला है जिसमें आई विल जस्ट बी गिविंग यू सम फ्री का ज्ञान एंड गिविंग यू सम फ्री का मोटिवेशन, राइट। वॉट एवर आई विल discuss it will be based on proof, logic and experiment. So I'll just give you a quick tour of the video. First of all, let me give you a quick tour. This video is like a short novel or a short English story. It is divided into 10 chapters. The first chapter is just watching course videos. It discusses about the mistakes. The second chapter is about the low concept clarity. The third one is about the memory issue that you are facing. I mean just take a moment and close your eye and think you are sitting in the exam. The D day has arrived and you are not able to solve that question. What has gone wrong? आखिर क्या गलत हुआ? उस क्वेश्चन को आप इसलिए नहीं बना पाए, उसके 3 कारण हो सकते हैं। पहला, आपको कॉन्सेप्ट सही से नहीं आता है, यू लैक कॉन्सेप्ट क्लैरिटी, राइट। दूसरा, योर मेमोरी इज़ लो, यू हैव नॉट डन एनीथिंग फॉर बिल्डिंग योर मेमोरी, है ना। तो आपको थोड़ा बहुत याद है ना, ए का बी याद है, बी का सी याद है, ऑल दैट थिंग, ओके। एंड तीसरा कि यू आर नॉट यू आर नर्वस, यू आर एनेक्सियस बिकॉज यू हैव नॉट प्रैक्टिस्ड डेली, यू आर नॉट गिवन मॉक टेस्ट। जब मैं आपको मॉक टेस्ट देने के लिए कहता हूँ देन यू हैव एक्सक्यूज रेडी, सर सिलेबस खत्म होगा तभी तो मॉक टेस्ट देंगे। बट आई विल डिस्कस दैट हाउ डेली मॉक टेस्ट टॉपिक वाइज कैन ऑल्सो बी गिवन, देयर आर सोर्सेज, ओके। नॉट गिविंग DM triple T means daily mock test topic wise with timer, add a T here also, okay, DM triple D. Chapter 4A discuss about the consistency and accountability towards someone, the art of sending daily targets and reports. Lot of my students in the morning they send me targets as in what they want to achieve today, and I have asked them to send that copy to their parents also, just to remain accountable throughout the long process that you are going through. And in the night before sleeping you send them the report, how much have you covered. Try to set a practical target. All this will be discussed in great detail. At the end I'll also be discussing about the challenges that you have been facing. For example, you can face variety of challenges which are not directly discussed. For example, there can be days where you will not feel like studying. There can be days where your phone will be like heavy on you, right? How to tackle all of these things have been discussed on a scientific basis, right? And then the practical part and the solutions have been discussed, and I will also quote the references which I have used to produce out those outcomes, right? Now someone will say यार ये तो यार हेल्प बुक में मेरे को मिल जाएगा यार, सेल्फ हेल्प बुक में, okay. Self help book will not tell you the stories जो you will get from the stories of the real aspirants. A very few self help book will tell you the stories from the aspirants which are facing. A lot of self help books which I have been knowing have been written in the past, okay. and they describe the world of 1970s, 1980s, or let us say 2000. But the problem are of now. The Instagram is now, reels are now, here and now. Okay, so what are the problems here have been not been covered well in the self-help books. So it will be better that you go through the examples that I've been giving you, which are of recent times. Okay, I'll tell you about the art of self-control and mindfulness. For example, let us consider that you are watching your phone, and at a random day you plan a target, and you are not in the mood to achieve that target, and your mind says yaar thoda rest kar lete hain, and your mind says that I want to do something else. So there is a solution. Don't be heavy on your mind. Just do whatever you want to do for 15 minutes or 20 minutes. Set a timer and ask yourself, have that self control. The point is about self control and mindfulness, to return to what you want to do after 15 minutes. It's not about you have understood or listened the quote that अगर सुबह का भूला शाम को घर वापस लौट के आ जाए उसको भूला नहीं कहते. So even if you wake up, if you do not get up by 7, get up by 8. Okay, if you not by 8, get up by 9. Practice that self control. Don't be that mindless animal running and getting controlled by things. Okay, but show some control, that okay, there should be some agreement between you and the phone, you and your habits, that okay, now you have I have listened to your request mind for 5 minutes, and I have watched phone, I have done whatever I liked for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, but now is the time to put in efforts for my dream, which is the greater thing. Otherwise, if you do not practice that self control, if you do not practice that mindfulness, and these all plans will not work, nothing will work. These are all which I am going to discuss in this video are just rubbish. Okay, so most of the times what you will experience is that at the top, at the zenith of it all, is self control and mindfulness. Mindfulness means being aware of what I am doing, that instant sound that comes from the inner voice, that okay, now I have done what my mind has said to me, now I'll do what I want my mind to do. Okay, so that self control will come, and I'll tell you the ways how it can come. I'll tell you the practical ways which are derived from a 5,000-year-old book, which is the Bhagavad Gita, and all other books. This is a constant practice, buddy, है ना. इसमें समय लगने वाला है, and if you practice it, you can do good at it. Now let us move further. Chapter 5 will discuss about the how to solve any numerical in this world. Now coming from this hazy kind of thing about mindfulness and self-help, now let us discuss about how to solve any numerical in this world. So this is something that you want, right? To solve any numerical. So this is a technique called RIGDFCI technique, which I will be discussing, and I'll be decoding. So this is, I think this is the super offer kind of thing, that is full packed video you will be getting about the RIGDCI technique. When I'm saying any numerical, I mean it literally, that yes, you will be able to solve any numerical in this world if you constantly practice that. So that is where you are missing, right? आपको सवाल मिलता है, then you are like, आपको ट्रेन पकड़ना है, आपकी राजधानी अभी स्टेशन पर लगी हुई है, एंड इट विल जस्ट गो, एंड यू आर लाइक द डायपोल मोमेंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक डायपोल इज गिवन लाइक दिस, एंड यू आर लाइक वेरी हर्ली रीडिंग एनीथिंग, योर इंग्लिश इज ऑल्सो वीक. सो हाउ टू टैकल 4 वर्ड्स एट ए टाइम. याद है बचपन में जब माँ खाना खिलाती थी एंड आपको खाने का मन नहीं होता था, सो सी यूज टू डू इट इन चंक्स, राइट? चंक्स में कि यार मेरा सोना बेटा, एक खा लो, 2 खा लो, राइट? इन चंक्स. सो दैट इज द मेथड ऑफ चंक्स विच आई विल बी डिस्कसिंग अबाउट. देन द मिसिंग पिलर्स ड्यूरिंग प्रिपरेशन. 4 मिसिंग पिलर्स. जैसे इंडिया में डेमोक्रेसी में 4 पिलर्स होते हैं ना यार, 4 पिलर्स ऑफ नेशन. जैसे क्या होता है, लेजिस्लेचर, एग्जीक्यूटिव, जुडिशरी, और चौथा क्या होता है? चौथा होता है मीडिया, जो कि अभी उस पर आई विल नॉट कमेंट. ओके, तो ये 4 पिलर आपके प्रिपरेशन में, आपके प्रिपरेशन का इमारत खड़ा करते हैं, राइट? सो आई विल बी डिस्कसिंग दोज 4 पिलर्स, जिसके कारण डायरेक्ट आपका एग्जाम नहीं निकलेगा. डायरेक्ट जो है, अगर ये आप 4 पिलर मिसिंग होगा तो आपका एग्जाम नहीं निकलेगा. तो व्हाट आर दीज 4 पिलर्स? लेट मी शो यू. जस्ट वेट. ओके, नाउ okay, now let me just show you these 4 missing pillars that are there, and please note I will be discussing in detail. अभी मैं आपको सिर्फ एक टूर दे रहा हूँ. DMTTT, the first pillar, daily mock test topic wise with timer. Ask yourself, अगर if you have failed the exam, क्या आप डेली मॉक टेस्ट टॉपिक वाइज विथ टाइमर देते थे? तो इसका आपका कारण आएगा कि सर एक्सक्यूज़, डेली मॉक टेस्ट बिना सिलेबस खत्म किए पहले कैसे दे सकते हैं? नाउ माय सॉल्यूशन. डेली मॉक टेस्ट देने के लिए नीट प्रेप का ऑनलाइन ऐप आता है, जिस पे टॉपिक वाइज एंड चैप्टर वाइज क्वेश्चन अवेलेबल है. दूसरा, टॉपिक वाइज और चैप्टर वाइज बहुत सारे बुक्स हैं जिसमें टॉपिक वाइज और चैप्टर वाइज क्वेश्चन है। गूगल लेंस को यूज किया जा सकता है जिससे आप टॉपिक वाइज और चैप्टर वाइज क्वेश्चन ढूंढ सकते हैं। चैट जीपीटी को यूज किया जा सकता है सिमिलर क्वेश्चन जनरेट करने के लिए। Okay, the problem is you are a POT, means POAT, problem oriented action and thinking type of person, not a SOT, solution oriented action and thinking kind of person. So to become a GOAT means greatest of all time, you have to be SOT, right? Solution oriented action and thinking kind of person. So these logics can seem pretty heavy at the outset, but at the heart of it, this is not your CBSE का मछली बाजार exam which you can easily clear just by writing steps. There are no marks for the steps. Okay, let me tell you a story. अगर आप एक 4 मार्क्स का CBSE का क्वेश्चन में 2 लाइन भी लिखते हैं, you'll get 2 marks. But in JEE, if you are not getting it right, in UPSC, in NDA, CDS, if you are not getting it right, nothing you will be getting. Your mind has been trained for 12 years CBSE की तरह बिहेव करने के लिए कि कैसे स्टेप पे नंबर मिल जाता है, कुछ भी लिखने से नंबर मिल जाता है, SST में कैसे टीचर को बुर्बक बनाया जाता है. All this you have learned, hard wired, your brain has been hard wired. Okay, so to break from that, to come to the real competition where the real beast lies, either you will slay or you will be slayed by. So the difference will lie either or not, whether or not you are giving DM triple Q, triple 3T, a daily mock test topic wise with timer. Okay, and you should be taking 1 to 2 minutes per question. I mean, like when you are going to give the exam, NEET is 180 questions. Let me show you the mathematics. You people just do things on emotions. 180 questions, 180 minutes. That is what NEET maths looks like, right? So 1 minute per question, 60 seconds for a bloody question in physics which looks like 1 page question and 1 page other in Hindi and then lot of options. Then in that 60 seconds you read the question also. Number 1, you understand the meaning behind the question. You recall 5 different concepts, 3 from class 11, 2 from class 12, mix them up, then decide what will be the right course of action, then solve it correctly also, and then mark in the OMR sheet. All this sit in just 60 seconds. I mean, like when you are solving, are you doing it in 60 seconds? No. The answer is a plain no. You are not able to. You are like taking 100 million years to do that. I mean, not that much, but you are taking 5 minutes to 10 minutes to do that. It will take like 10 NEET exams to clear. And not, JEE में तो दो not that much of attendance are available. NEET में तो you have unlimited. Okay, jokes apart. So you have to, do something about it. And you are suffering from this disease which I'll be talking about. I am just giving you a glimpse कि why these all things are necessary. Now अभी you will be just कि छोड़ देते हैं ना, हो जाएगा. जो एग्ज़ाम जब आएगा अपना देखेंगे, धीरे धीरे ग्रेजुअली होता है ना भैया, धीरे धीरे एग्ज़ाम निकलता है ऐसे. नो, आइंस्टाइन हैड अ कोट एंड ही सेड इफ़ यू विल चेंज नथिंग, नथिंग विल चेंज. अगर अपने साइड से इफ़ यू आर सीइंग कि देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम and for that problem if you are doing nothing and you are expecting that something will change, you can be given a Guinness Book of World Record for the world's fullest person. Okay, you can be given that world record because you are like a Kalidas, having an axe over his own foot. So you are seeing that there is a mistake and you are not doing anything to rectify that mistake, hoping and thinking that aesthetically out of some sort of cosmetic romance, you will succeed in that foolish plan that you are having without rectifying that plan or the mistake part of it. There is where lies the difference between the great leaders, successful persons, successful aspirants and an average candidate. The average candidate knows the mistake, does nothing about it and just sleeps and continues the plan. But a worthy candidate, a worthy aspirant knows where the mistake is going, has enough self-control and mindfulness to know what needs to be corrected and then he corrects it. He or she corrects it. Okay, so that is thing. Other thing, just a overview, DMA, daily mock analysis. Are you analyzing your mock test giving daily and are you analyzing that what topics, what concepts am I getting wrong? कि कहाँ गलती हो रहा है, क्या फॉर्मूला नहीं याद है, क्या कोविड-19 के समय में जो 3 साल बीता उसमें जो 27,000 सवाल आई हैव नॉट प्रैक्टिस्ड. Like you can know that is the next topic, BPM, the basic practice missing pillar, which in COVID-19, that is my 7th point. You lagged around 27,000 questions 3 years. If you solve 30 questions daily, multiply it 900 question in a month and multiply it by the full year, so you'll get around 10,000 questions. So it is around 27,000 to 30,000 questions you have not practiced. So that amounts ki when now you'll be solving questions, your question will be your answers will be full of mistakes. accuracy will not be there, speed will not be there, because you have not paid the price which kids before COVID-19 period paid. So that the concept is missing, the basic part is missing of class 7, 8, 9. I've been observing in the aspirants that they are lacking on that part, है ना. आपको ये बात पता है, जैसे ये एक बीमारी है, जैसे 2+4/2, 2+4/2, है ना. तो इसमें क्या होगा, आप 2 और 2 काट देंगे, राइट. सो दिस इज अ न्यू काइंड ऑफ डिजीज इन द मार्केट. Okay, and lot of disease that I will be discussing which I have seen in the aspirant, and इसका कोई नंबर नहीं है यार. You will get 0 marks in the NEET if you do this mistake. So he will not understand कि you are from NEET, quota, LNPW or what. He will just see कि you have not done it. So these are the hidden mistakes. I hope you get my point कि nobody realizes these mistakes that they are doing, and I have been smart enough to analyze all these things and put it right in front of your eyes, and I hope you will see something, and rest is your hard work. I'm not negating the role of the hard work. Nothing surpasses that. Okay, hard work beats talent when talent does not work hard. That is very right. But all these things are also very necessary, otherwise you will take a lot of attempt, wasting a lot of time. Okay, and then DRCS, so you have to like give mock test daily and analyze कि भाई मेरा weak area क्या है. फॉर्मूला नहीं आता है क्या मेरे को. मॉक टेस्ट जो है उससे मेरा क्या 10th का टेबल नहीं आता है क्या, 19 का टेबल मेरे को आता है कि नहीं आता है. वो देखा है फिल्म आपने गो गोवा गोन, उसमें 19 का टेबल सुनाने के लिए बोलते हैं. ओके, तो क्या आपको 19 का टेबल आता है, नहीं आता है. ओके, एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स, क्यूब आता है, स्क्वायर आता है, परसेंटेज आता है, एंड यू विल बी लाइक हैं आई विल वॉच ऑल दिस. आई विल नॉट वॉच, आई एम तो सम कलेक्टर ऑफ सम डिस्ट्रिक्ट, आई विल नॉट टू डू ऑल दिस, है ना. टू टेल यू दैट कि आपको तो शर्म आएगा ना. 6 क्लास का 5 क्लास का मैथ टेबल ओआ सीखेंगे सर हम कैसे. सो उसके लिए, एंड आई विल जस्ट टेल यू वन थिंग दैट दीज एस्पायरेंट्स विच स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर UPSC सिविल सर्विसेज, somebody have clear IIT, BTech, CS, somebody JR6, then they start with class 6 बूझो book, बूझो तो जाने NCERT book. Why? Because they know this is what needs to be done to get and make the cut. Okay, and you are here, fake ego, self ego. Rest you are, you are smart enough to understand what the point that I am trying to drive home. Okay, so now after analyzing your mock weak areas, are you doing something about it? Why you have not scored? अरे सबका मॉक टेस्ट नहीं देना होता है यार. मॉक टेस्ट दे के जो वीक एरिया आया उसको फिर से पढ़ना होता है. तो वो पढ़ो ना जो वीक एरिया आया, है ना. जैसे मान लो कि योर वीक एरिया इज जियोमॉर्फोलॉजी, क्लाइमेटोलॉजी, इन हिस्ट्री सम वीक एरिया इज देयर, नीट फिजिक्स, लेट अस से equilibrium is weak area, then just do something about that. Now what you will do, that is DRCS. What is DRCS? These are just fancy acronyms, but this means something for you. DRCS means daily revision and concept strengthening. Means whatever weak area was there, for example, if I was an aspirant at your place, I'll take equilibrium as a weak area. I will watch the video again because my earlier teacher was not able to clear the concept. I will watch the video again from random YouTube channels. Which one I'll prefer? Which one is best? Anything. This time and place in the world, I am fortunate enough to have multiple YouTube videos to get the concept right. So I'll watch the YouTube video, get the concept very strong. Then I'll use ChatGPT to understand and simplify things. After I'll make my own notes about that topic. After I will solve 10 difficult questions on that same topic. I'll find those questions on Google Lens, on ChatGPT, on previous year questions from NCERT Exemplar, from SC Burma or any reference book. I will not make an excuse that I am not able to find the questions, because that is not an excuse. So by that manner I'll be doing something for equilibrium topic. And what you are doing, you are waiting for 3 months to give a mock test. Then after 3 months you are giving a mock test, then there is a problem in equilibrium wala topic, then you are not even doing anything for that, and you're just revising the same notes again, and then you're thinking अरे हो जाएगा ना. So then same dialogue, अरे मेरा निकल जाएगा ना. ग्रेजुअल होता है भैया, ग्रेजुअल प्रोग्रेस होता है. So bullshit again. So you are not directly targeting where the wound is. Okay, so that is it. I think now you are smart enough to understand what I'm trying to put across. Next is WMTARCS, again a fancy acronym. You can be afraid of this. Weekly mock test analysis, revision and concept strengthening. So whatever you have done in the week, take Sunday off and revise it all, then give a weekly mock test on that, analyze what are the mistake area, revise again. RCS, revision and concept strengthening, means again that same loop. Watch the video again, because revise it again. Okay, and concept strengthening. Going further in the video, I will also tell you how to make the sharpest memory in the world. Okay, what are the techniques? Okay, that has helped me clear, you know, one of the toughest exam like bachelor's in physics honors course from University of Delhi by just by in a 1 month, that too in the final semester. So that technique has come from that research and experience of mine, so I'll be sharing you at the end. Now, what is MMT? MMT is monthly mock test analysis and revision. Now give full month mock test on last day of month, then analyze and revise weak areas. So whatever you have done in the month, and then do it at the very end. Alright, so it's about multiple revision. Now I'll also tell you a practical plan how to go about it. You can be overwhelmed by all of this कि यार daily mock test का time कहाँ, ये कहाँ, वो कहाँ, all of these excuses. So I'll give you a practical plan for that. Rest is your wish. You can continue with the PCB disease that you are having, which is the plan continuation bias. Just continue with the plan no matter what, or you can do something to change. Okay, so all these things will be discussed in great detail. Now let me return to the front slide. Now, next thing that I'll discuss is the COVID-19 BPM effect. I already told you about the COVID-19 BPM effect. What is that? The COVID-19 BPM effect is the period of 3 years starting from 2020 Feb and going towards the end of 2022. These 3 years, all the schools and colleges were shut. Because of that, the kind of amount of practice, the amount of curious thinking and research and self-study that was expected out of you was not done. Okay, so that is why you are lacking in the basics of class 6 7. You might face a issue in cross product, you might face a issue with division, multiplication. That's why Kendriya Vidyalaya in a The Hindu article reported of deploying the bridge courses in all of the KVs across India. So nothing like that has been done by you, right? Anything of bridge courses sort of thing, right? So you have to do that. So basic is missing. P is a practice. So P stands for practice. So let us say 30 questions. You are, even if you are the worst of the kids, you will solve 30 questions a day at, you know, minimum at least. So 30 questions a day means like 900 questions a month. That translates to 10800 questions a year. That, let us take it as 9,000 questions a year. So 9,000 multiplied by 3 years is 27,000 questions. Now you cannot get these times back. In one line 27,000 सवाल कम बनाया है आपने. तो ये 27,000 सवाल कम बनाने से होगा ये कि the accuracy that you will get in the question will not be there instantly. So your every process will be right, everything will be right, but the answer will be wrong. You'll get laddu marks because JEE and NEET and other exams gives you marks on the basis of answers that you are making, right or wrong. और जे में तो अभी वो भी आ गया इंटीजर टाइप क्वेश्चन. ओके, सो यू कैन नॉट expect step marking. CBSE chaps get a step marking. So forget CBSE when you enter a competitive exam. So I'll give you some solutions of how to do that. How to memorize anything by following a smart and gradual approach will be my chapter number 8 of this particular novel. I'll also be sharing a PDF if you want in the description. So you have to memorize how to memorize anything by a smart and gradual approach. Not that, Bengali Baba ka चूरन which silencer used to take, जो दिमाग को साफ करने के लिए लेता था. Not that, but a smart and gradual approach centered around R1, R2, R3, W1, W2, W3 means reading, writing, teaching methodology, and recalling, and cherry on the cake is a blank sheet, blank notes. How to make blank notes which can be refilled again and again using a pencil. So that is something that I have kept towards the end of the session. Now, how to make the best handwritten notes will be my chapter 9, and last chapter, but not the least, is 10 hidden challenges faced during preparation and solutions. So friends, this is going to be a all packed video. I don't know who host in this world who gives an introduction of 25 minutes to a video is going to be of 1 hour. Okay, so 25 minutes is the introduction because I don't want any one of you to get overwhelmed when I am starting with the actual video, because now the point is no one of you, very few of you will continue towards the end of the video because it requires great patience. Okay, and only a few people, are selected ones, okay, can continue towards the end, right? Because this is not Instagram reels which in 15 seconds will change kismat badalti. Okay, not like that. So it will require a regular amount of involvement. You have to think what I am explaining. I'll be highlighting the portions and proving things with practical examples. I have taken questions from NEET physics. I'll be solving that also. So that is some disclaimer. If you want to continue from this point. Otherwise, take a break. Go out. This is not going to be any sort of Bengali Baba ka Churan or random video which will turn your life suddenly. Okay, so please leave the video. No need to continue. And if you want to continue, you can continue into slots. Don't take it like a course that you are going to cover, speed में ऐसे 2x पे देख के ख़त्म कर लेते हैं. This will require involvement, and then believe me, it will give you some sort of benefit if you are a sincere student. Okay, prestige or hard work. Now let us continue.